On average, 3,062 break-ins happen each and every day in the United States of America. One of the primary reasons for enhancing window security is due to the recent rise of home and business break-ins. Windows are often a vulnerable point of entry for burglars. Statistics even say that up to 25% of break-ins in home and business often happen through a first-story window, such as you see here. Traditional ways of leaving your windows unsecured and not adding any additional security features is definitely not the way to go. Burglars nowadays have sophisticated tools and skills to definitely bypass unsecured windows. By improving those weak security points, you will definitely reduce the risk of break-ins. Modern solutions offer better protection. Security window films reinforce the glass, making it harder to shatter, and impact-resistant windows withstand significant force and delay the unwanted intruder. Here at RockRose, we have different thicknesses to choose from depending on your safety needs. Watch this as we demonstrate an attempted break-in thwarted by security film. The glass cracks, but it stays intact, delaying easy entry and keeping your home or business secure. RockRose Window Security Film is vital for safeguarding your home or business, offering enhanced protection and peace of mind, delaying all unknown threats. Remember to stay safe and secure by buying RockRose Safety Film for your home or business.